Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phones on Amazon. First, create your Amazon Seller Central account, which is your hub for managing sales. Decide if an individual or professional plan suits your needs. The professional plan costs around $39.99 per month. Complete all required account information, including your payment and tax details, to ensure a smooth selling process. This initial setup is crucial for starting your Amazon selling journey correctly. Preparing your phone properly ensures buyer confidence and avoids returns. Begin by performing a complete factory reset, then thoroughly clean the device for a pristine appearance. Test all functions like the camera, speakers, and charging port, making notes of anything unusual. Next, capture high-resolution photos from at least 5 different angles, using good, natural light. Clearly show any minor scratches or included accessories to set clear expectations for potential buyers. A compelling listing attracts buyers and minimizes questions. Honestly describe your phone's condition using Amazon's predefined categories, such as like new or good. Research comparable phones to set a competitive price, often within $10 to $15 of similar listings. Craft a clear product description detailing model, storage capacity, color, and any accessories. Incorporate relevant keywords like unlocked 64GB smartphone to help buyers find your item easily. Secure packaging is vital for customer satisfaction and avoiding transit issues. Wrap the phone in at least 2 inches of bubble wrap within a sturdy box to protect it. Choose a reputable shipping carrier, offering tracking and signature confirmation for items over $100. Maintain excellent customer service by responding to messages within 24 hours, even on weekends. Understanding Amazon's return policies, which typically allow 30 days, will help you manage any post-sale situations smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.